Please place your paper on the table so the long side is on the bottom. We call that landscape view. Then you're going to be taking it, bringing it over the top, and carefully lining up one corner so that the ends meet. Once it meets, you'll drag your hand back to make a crease. Then you'll go down to this bottom corner, make sure it lines up perfectly. When it does, put your hand there, drag it across to make another crease, and then you'll simply go up to the top and crease it from end to end so that it's folded in half. I will wait for you to do that first step. Now, you are going to be taking just this top page, and we are going to be bringing it back, and just watch. You're going to be bringing it back so it lines up with this first corner. Again, I'm lifting up just the top sheet, lining it up at the top. I'm going to hold it there, and I'm going to drag my finger back, making a crease. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and line it up at the corner, drag my hand, making a crease, and then I'm going to crease it from bottom to top. I'll wait for you to do that step. Now, we are going to be flipping it over, okay? And then you're going to be folding this back, lining it up at the top, making a crease, and doing the same thing down here. Line it up, make a crease, and then crease it from end to end, just like that. So now you have an accordion fold with 4 parts.